So now we are asked to find the value of x given log quantity x squared minus 8x to base 3 equal to 2. So ang gagawin natin, this is a logarithmic form. So we will express that one to exponential form. So yung log natin magiging ganito yan. Okay? So copy natin yung x squared minus 8x. Tapos, itong base natin to 3, ayan, that will become equal to 3. So, yung 3 dyan, susulat natin dyan. Tapos, yung 2 dito, that will become our exponent. So, naging x squared minus 8x is equal to 3 squared. Okay, so, 3 raised to 2, that is equal to 9. So, let's rewrite that. It will become x squared minus 8x is equal to 9. Now, to get the value of x, we will transpose 9 to the other side. Whenever you transpose a number or a function to the other side, magiging, which if it's a positive, for example, dito positive 9, magiging negative 9 yan siya. So, it will become x squared minus 8x minus 9. So, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, from positive 9, naging negative 9 because we transpose that to the other side. Now, we have this function. Now, naging x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0 na siya. So, you can actually use your calculator directly. Or, kung wala kang calculator, just think of a number. Okay, so if a factor lang natin siya. So, let's say, ganyan. So, lagay natin dito x because that's a quadratic equation. Dalawang x, that's x squared. So, maglagay tayo ng dalawang x. Now, think of a number na pag i-multiply natin sila, it will give us negative 9. And if we will add the two numbers, it will give us negative 8. So, what are the numbers na if i-multiply natin ay magiging negative 9? So, we only have two options. The numbers are positive 9 at saka negative 1 and negative 1 at saka positive 9. So, these two pairs here will give us negative 9 kung i-multiply natin sila. Now, the next thing is those numbers, pair of number, if i-add natin sila, will give us negative 8. So, alin dito sa dalawa? So, basically, so the two numbers that will give us negative 9 is of course si negative 9 at saka si positive 1, and the other pair is si positive 9 and negative 1. Now, if we multiply negative 9 at saka positive 1, it will give us negative 9. Okay, and if we will multiply negative 1 at saka positive 9, it will still give us negative 9. Now, the second condition is that number, if i-add natin sila together, it must give us negative 8. Okay, so alin dito sa pair na to? Of course, it's very obvious na this pair will give us negative 8. Negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. So, obviously, itong dalawang ito, yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay, kasama ni x. So, that's negative 9 and positive 1. Okay, we already have the two numbers. Therefore, ang value ng ating x ay isusulat lang po natin siya like this. That will become first, x minus 9 equals 0. And the other one is x plus 1 equals 0. So, take note, this one ay ito siya. And this one naman ay that one. So, for us to get the value of x, so that will become, itatranspose lang natin si negative 9 to the other side. and also the positive 1 to the other side. Again, if we will transpose that number, ang negative magiging positive, ang positive magiging negative, so that will be x equals 9 at saka x equals negative 1. Therefore, ang x natin ay, we have x1, positive 9, and x2, negative 1.